Hello, in this video, we will introduce the isInstance function. Suppose you need to write this code here, display object G. Now, you pass a circle object to this G. So this is fine, get area, get perimeter, get diameter. So what happens for this get width? It's not going to work. You're going to get an error because circle does not have the get width method. What we can do is to use this function is instance function in Python. So here's the syntax here. To test whether this object is an instance of the class. If so, and then we can invoke the method. So for example here, isInstance, so this is a string that is true. It's instance of the string class. So that is true. So look at the number. Is this a string instance of string class? That's going to return false. So now we come here to modify the display object G, this function. So the area is fine. Any geometric object, so they have the get area method, that's fine. But this diameter, so what are we going to do with diameter? So we're going to use isInstance. If G is instance of circle, so we're going to invoke G.getDiameter. Else, if G is instance of rectangle, so we're going to get rectangle's width and height. That is all for this section on the isInstance function. See you on the next video.